Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Visual Studio Code for web development. For this, first of all, we open Visual Studio Code. Once Visual Studio Code is open in front of you, here we will just go to the left side of that, and here you will see a button of extension. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, first of all, we will download Open in browser. For this, go to the search bar, and here we will just type Open in browser. After typing, that kind of format will be open. In this format, we will click on the first option. After clicking, that kind of format will be open. In this format, just drag or cursor over here and click on the Install button. After clicking, it will start installing. After installing, we will install another extension. For this, just go back to the search bar, and here we will just type JavaScript. After typing JavaScript, that kind of format will be open. In this format, we will click on the first option. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, we will click on Install. After clicking, it will start installing. In a few seconds, it will be installed. After installing, go back to the search bar, and here we will add another extension. Here we will type Bootstrap. After typing Bootstrap, click on the first link. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, go to the Install button and click on it. After clicking, it will start installing. These three extensions will not take too much time to install. Once installed, go to the top left corner of your PC screen, and here you will see a button of File. Click on it. After clicking, a new small format will be open. In this format, go below, and here you will see a button of Add Folder to Workplace. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, we will just choose the location of our new file. Like that, I am choosing HTML. Click on it. After clicking, it will be open. And then go below and click on the Add button. After clicking, it will be edited. And then go to the top left corner of your PC screen and click on that Explorer button. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, you can see this is the HTML file. Click on it. After clicking, just drag or cursor over here and click on that icon. After clicking, a new folder will be created. Once it's created, just write index.html. After typing index.html, just hit the Enter button and HTML file will be created in Visual Studio Code. And here for writing the HTML code, we will just type Shift+1 button. After typing, a new format will be open. In this format, just choose the first button. After clicking, the HTML code written in front of you, and here just go back to the HTML file and click on it. After clicking, click on that icon again. After clicking, and now here we will just type style.css. After typing style.css, just hit the Enter button and both files will be created. Just go back to here and click on index.html. Here we can easily write the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. First of all, we will write H1. After typing, just hit the Enter button and that kind of format will be written. Here, I will just type my name. After typing my name, go to the head section and inside of title here we will just type link. After typing link, just hit the Enter button and link will be generated. And in the href quotations here we will just type the name of our CSS file. So go to the left side and here you will see the name of our CSS. The name of our CSS file is style.css. And then go to the quotation of href and here we will just type style.css. After typing style.css, and now we can write the JavaScript at the below of the body section, and above of the HTML section, and our HTML and CSS files have been attached because I have generated that link. And then we will go to the style folder. So click on it. After clicking, here we will just type the name of our heading. Like that, I am writing H1. After writing, that kind of what will be written, and in this phone we will just type color. After typing color, Just hit the Enter button and that kind of format will be open. In this format, I will choose the color blue solid blue and blue will be selected. For saving that file, we will just press Ctrl+S and then it will be saved. Then go back to the index.html. Here we will just type again Ctrl+S and it will be saved. Both files will be saved like that. And now we will click right button and the kind of format will be open. In this format, go below and here you will see a button of Open in Browser. That button will not be enabled if you will not download the Open in Server extension. So click on that button and browser will start to open. Once it's open, here you can see my name is written here and the color which was right in Style folder has been added. That's the way to set up a Visual Studio Code for web development. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.